In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a PDF to your GoDaddy website builder step by step. Whether you want to upload a brochure, a pricing guide, a menu, a contract, or any downloadable document, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, your visitors will be able to click a link or button and instantly download your PDF file. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, head over to GoDaddy.com and click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for the section called My Products. This is where all your domains, hosting plans, and website builder projects are located. Click on My Products so you can see your active website. Now find the website that you want to add the PDF to. Under your website builder listing, click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor, where you can make changes to your site in real time. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the PDF link to appear. You can add a PDF link in several different ways. For example, you can attach it to a button, insert it inside a text block, or place it within a new section on your page. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your layout and your visitors. If you'd like to add it inside a new section, click on Add Section. GoDaddy will show you different layout options. Choose a layout that fits your design. After the section is added, select the element where you want to place the link, such as a button. When editing the button link settings, you'll see several options like website, phone, email, and file. To upload a PDF, choose the File option, then click Upload. Next, select your PDF file from your computer. Locate the document you want to share and confirm the upload. GoDaddy will automatically upload the file and generate a link connected to that button or element. Once uploaded, you can rename the button text to something clear, like Download PDF, View Brochure, or Get the Guide, so visitors know exactly what they're clicking. After everything looks good, always remember to click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. This step is very important because your changes will not be visible to the public until your site is published. Once you click Publish, your PDF link will be live and accessible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to your GoDaddy website site. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes and doesn't require any technical skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.